going on, guys? Your boy all the way here. Today we're going to be talking about EMMEET. As you guys can see, I got the boy Millie here rocking the Nashville hoodie that we released. It says EMMEET on the front. Look at that boy. And we're going to go to a hangar right now, so that way we can get some cool shots with the jet. We're supposed to have some cars pull up. We don't know exactly what's all pulling up yet, but we got the boy Ali. He's way up there. He took off before us. We got Millie's brother following us. And it's going to be a good little time. We're going to deep dive into what's going on in Dallas. Well, Frisco, Texas. What's going on in Frisco, Texas. And I think it's going to be a freaking banger, man. I can't wait. I'm going to be back in Dallas with the boys. You know, I want to see my boys Rolf and Mez, but they're going to be laying low for a little bit. Well, Rolf is going on vacation. And it's going to be a good little time, man. Yo, shout out to that boy Phantom. This is so cool. Like, I swear, since Nashville, we've gone and done promo at some sort of hangar, and there goes Jake right there, some sort of hangar where we can shoot with some planes and jets, and we got the whole runway. That's another thing I didn't mention. We have the whole entire runway to do freaking anything we want. Wheelies, stunts, everything, which I'm going to definitely practice my wheelies out here. But this is so cool, man, like being able to be out here and shoot with some private jets. I love having cool friends, you know. Jake, buddy, Willie, Ali. What do you mean you left before us? Y'all were speeding. got G82 Dev right here. We got myself, we got Emily, and we got M4 Ali right here, and we got the beautiful jet in the background. I'm standing here just because like we can't get the tail numbers in there and stuff like that. That'll be too much to edit out. I would show you guys a little bit further, but so kind of speak about EMMEET a little bit. I think I already threw a little bit of footage up on the screen of what the last EMMEET actually looked like and what is to be expected when we come to Frisco, Texas. So I'm also going to be throwing up some sponsors that we're going to have up at the actual event and that actually sponsored the event. And I'm going to throw up some affiliates up on the screen and some of the special guests that we're going to have. And it's going to be a freaking banger, man. If you didn't come to Nashville, you absolutely missed out. It's not like your regular bike meet because this is actually joining forces and we're actually bringing in cars and trucks. And what? Bro, it's YouTuber things, man. But we're actually bringing all the communities together, and when we had the event in Nashville, we heard nothing but positive things about it. Like, super big turnout. There was more bikes and trucks and cars than what we were expecting, because, you know, trying to bring these communities together, it's a little difficult, but when you make it fun and interesting, people are going to show out and show up, and that's exactly what they did. So if you guys don't know, EMMEET, the actual flyer itself, I'm going to throw it up on the screen right now, it has over 3,700 shares on the stories, DMs, people just sending it around to people. Like, this is going to be huge. And the actual flyer itself, like the post, got well over 220,000 views. So we're expecting a very big turnout. Shout out Millie right here. We're getting more YouTube grind. Like, we got to get more people actually vlogging, you know what I'm saying? Such a beautiful sight. So yeah, we got Fast Flow as an affiliate, got some pretty cool people, some big names as affiliates and stuff like that and showing up. We got a lot of booths coming out, a lot of different vendors. If you guys are seeing this video and it's before the event, if you want to be a vendor, go on the website, sign up. We got some people, we still have some spots left in VIP if you want to register your bike to be in VIP. We don't have any more spots in Diamond, unfortunately, because that filled up pretty quickly. What up, Ali? I'm vlogging. Bro, everybody clowns me for this as if I can't vlog. But yes, we have this entire taxiway. We can't get on the actual runway, but we're actually going to get on the taxiway right here. This is this road, and we're going to get some rollers, make it look all cool and whatnot, and maybe I'll throw a little bit of those cinematics in the video if I get it back in time. So this is actually going to be one of the biggest bike meets, car meets, truck meets, whatever you want to call it. That's the definition of EMMEET. It's going to be every make meet, so it can be bikes, it can be cars, it can be trucks, it can be even planes if you want to. But it's going to be pretty dope, man. If you guys are not going to be able to make it, stay tuned for the channel because we are going to be dropping a video. It's going to be sick. I'm going to get some drone shots, I'm going to get some cool interactions, and it's just going to be an all-around fun time. And of course, you know, while we're in Texas, you got to hit the tunnels. There's going to be tunnels, all right? There's going to be a tunnel video, and it's just going to be a jam-packed event. Hopefully, I'll see you guys there. If you guys enjoyed that video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below if you're going to be there. Let me know if you're going to be there, because if you are, come say what's up. I love interacting with subscribers and viewers and stuff like that. So yeah, wear your gear right safe, don't get caught in the rain, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.